Every second you waste struggling with technical know-how, you're losing money. Every tool you thought would change your business is just another subscription draining your account. Enough is enough. It's time for a system that actually works for you, not against you. Let's be real. You've been lied to. All-in-one software that promises the world and delivers headaches. Funnels that take weeks to set up. Tools are so complicated, you'd need a PhD to even get started. And meanwhile, your goals? They're stuck in setup mode. Your bank account? Leaking cash. Your competitors? Already winning. You're still battling with broken tech while they're out there launching, scaling, and thriving. You didn't start your business to play tech support. You didn't chase financial freedom just to get buried under dashboards and endless how-to tutorials. You're here to win. To move fast. To build something real without burning a hole in your wallet from overpriced SaaS fees. Introducing AIsiteX. A 3-in-1 AI-powered app that builds stunning websites and courses in any niche on complete autopilot with 24/7 AI agents. Not another tool. Not another gimmick. This is a full-stack business launcher built to launch your website and course agency business with trained AI agents that can automate the grind you hate. Business? Automated. No tech headaches. Everything in one click. Need a website? AI handles it. Need a course? AI creates it. Need customer and lead support? AI agents work for you while you sleep. And here's the kicker. You own it. No monthly fees. No renting back your own success from someone else. Picture this. Launching a complete website in under 5 minutes. Building an agency ready to charge $1,000 plus per client on demand. AIsiteX isn't just a tool. It's a weapon for anyone ready to move, win, and own the game. And right now, it's loaded, cocked, and ready for you to fire. Every second you wait, another second your dreams stay stuck in Sunday mode. The early bird launch window is closing fast, and once it's gone, the price doubles. If you're serious about building a real business without the tech chaos, AIsiteX is built for you and built for the future. Click the buy button below to grab AIsiteX and start building the business and life you deserve before this window slams shut.